Akira, have you had a good conference?
Oh, absolutely fantastic. A lot of great new partnerships to create in the future, and as always, a really well-hosted event.
Great. Any particular themes that you've come across this year that perhaps have been bigger or more prominent, more pressing than last year?
So clearly there's many more incumbents in the corporate venturing world that have just joined. Great to see Boeing, JetBlue, a bunch of new venture firms stepping into the space. I think the biggest theme for all of us is this move from doing individual point-to-point investments to investing in portfolios and platforms.
To expand on that a bit.
So rather than just investing in one company in one area, when we're looking at things like mobility or electrification, looking to invest in a number of different opportunities to really grow a portfolio rather than just investing in one company. Okay. I don't think venture capital is about red and black anymore. It's really about a portfolio.
Okay. Well, let's talk a bit about your portfolio. Your most recent investment announced yesterday.
Yep.
Give us a few words on that.
Brilliant. So we invested in a fantastic company called StoreDot. It's an Israeli-based company, and they've developed a technology that's already ready for mobile phones. StoreDot. And you can literally charge a mobile phone within 5 minutes with their technology. We've invested alongside Daimler, TDK, Samsung to really bring that onto the motor court. So hopefully in 2 to 3 years we'll be able to actually have a electric car that's chargeable within 5 minutes. How amazing is that?
On a BP forecourt?
On a BP forecourt, absolutely.
So relate that to other members of your portfolio. Give us the kind of overall strategy.
So we are absolutely convening ourselves around a number of 5 strategic areas as BP, and advanced mobility is one of the core areas. We've got a team of over 20 individuals just focused on developing strategy and business development options in electrification and advanced mobility. This is one of the investments within a jigsaw of investments we're going to be making to really be a leader in advanced mobility. That includes FreeWire, the mobile EV charging investment we made in January, includes Neo Capital, the investment in the China fund that we announced in May, and there'll be a number of other announcements we'll make over the course of this year and next year.
All right, we'll look forward to them.
Yeah.
Can we talk a bit about the low carbon agenda, talk about the energy transition?
Yeah.
How are you venturing along that theme?
Yeah, so Tom, as you know, as BP, we announced our refresh vision in 2017 to really provide heat, light mobility to the world. And for us, it's very important that we address it as a dual challenge. One is providing more energy to more people. The world's population is growing by 1.7 billion by 2040. At the same time, managing that in the context of climate change and energy sustainability. So we announced we'd invest up to 200 million a year in 5 areas that linked to the energy transition: digital, advanced mobility, like we talked about, low carbon power, low carbon products, and carbon management. Over the last year, we've actually invested over 200 million in those areas, and we plan to continue investing about that run rate on an annual basis from a venture capital, M&A, and early stage risk perspective, and invest an additional 300 million to really grow and scale opportunities.
Great. Thanks a lot. Now we look forward to seeing you next at future GC events. You or colleagues in Hong Kong,
absolutely,
in Helsinki, Houston,
Helsinki,
and in Monterey in January.
Indeed.
We'll be keeping you busy.
Excellent. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, team.